Here, zoom in on this. Are you recording?
Yeah,
Okay, motherfucker. Zoom in on this, come back to me, and then I'll do the intro. We should get Johnny over here to watch greatness. Hey guys, it's Will from Lakeshore RV. This is a 31KQ BTS. Cut! Yeah, just slam it. Broke. Don't be doing a face close-up either. All right, look at all this storage. All right. Why? It's stupid. No, it's stupid as
well, it's stupid, but...
Yeah, first of all, I hate campers. You kids playing nice back here? We're not gonna do this thing again, are we? Right here. Oh, hello folks. Welcome to my 31KQ BTS. Thanks for joining me today in this. Let's check it out. Should I talk? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. Check out the storage underneath this bed. Man, you could fit everything you need to go camping underneath this bed. All right, that's good.
Help me out of here.
Hey, Potts, I did the book thing. I pretended like I was reading. I said, oh, good day. Don't. Good day, family. Welcome to my 31KQ. All right, let's do one video with all of us. You pretend like you're the kid. You pretend like you're the mom. I'm the dad.
I'm the dad.
I'm the dad. Bobby, get your in here.
I'm the dad.
Are we shooting a product video or what are we doing?
Yeah, Susor's me and Will's child. Yeah.
All right, let's go. Let's do the fridge. Hello, Michael Potts. Let me show you about this fridge.
Thanks, Will.
Got a bunch of garbage in there.
You gotta hold the mic up.
Oh, bunch of. I'm not doing the mic thing, dude. Are you wearing headphones?
Yeah.
Ah! What? I'm a funny guy. What can I say?
Beautiful fridge and freezer combination there.
Yes. This is a 12-volt and electric fridge only. No propane. I don't know, dude. I hate these
Bins.
things.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, bins.
Galore. Bins.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
After spending a good day reading your books, you could definitely store them in this convenient storage bin. Look at all the bins! That's going in the video. I didn't say, oh, I could do one where I'm doing like some mechanical stuff. Watch this next part. Come on, ready? Hank, are you watching? You ready? Remember, after you purchase your RV, you're gonna need to be handy. So get used to using some power tools. You may have to do a little work on your RV. No, with a drill? Hold on. I know. Oh, it's you guys. Hey, thanks again for watching this. Phone number 616-566-0909. Why are you laughing? Oh!
That's good. That's enough.
Thanks again, guys. Make sure you check us out. Lakeshore RV Center, 616-566-0909.